yards.
Okay, guys, this is part 3. This is full-blown, full-blast blizzard. We got at least 12.2 inches on the ground since 4 o'clock, and I'm guessing there is at least 14, about 12 to 14 in places. Drifting. The drifts are wicked tall. Some of them can be 4 feet. Pretty crazy. I'm gonna do a little drive around, and I brought my camera with me too. Maybe I'll take some stills of some interesting shiznat.
You know, the Discovery Channel or some cool YouTube video where you see them wandering through the fields. But until you're there with it, what I was gonna say about what Adam said. Like Adam said, he was like, Mike. He goes, it's a fucking monster. It's a fucking monster. He goes, people are out there looking for monsters. He goes, they're fucking real. He goes, monsters are real. He goes, it's not their fault that they're monsters, but they're fucking monsters. That's the worst Adam creature.
No, that was a spot-on impression. That was exactly like it.
He's around me, I could do it better, mate. They have that thing where they talk low at the end, their voice goes up. But he was talking about how it was charging him from 15 yards. You could see the muscles, and the hair was standing straight up, and it was looking at him and rippling, and he was saying, is this it? And then he found out later that the gun had the wrong bullets in it.
That's crazy.
So the bullets were too big for the gun, and the only way it would have worked is if you got one in the chamber. He couldn't cock it to put one in the chamber.
Oh, look at this doofus.
Individually put one in the chamber.
Fish tailing out everywhere. Watch this guy.
Yeah, the weird. I remember it almost seemed like.
Oh, I gotta follow this guy. This is gonna be
just
fun.
waving back and forth as you're locking eyes with it.
I just saw one grizzly once ever in the wild.
This should be entertaining. You know, little bit of snow. I forgot how to drive. A little bit of rain, a little storm. People forget how to fucking drive. Snow. This is not that bad.
They look
Through you, yeah.
They look at you like.
I would not want to be stuck out homeless or anything. No, forget about it. Being exposed to something like this would be brutal, but being contained, you know, in a four-wheel drive pickup, or even that, if you know how to drive that van the right way.
But the grizzlies just
not that bad.
Like these marble eyes, like black marbles.
Exactly. Yep. Those eyes.
They're dead.
They are.
Dead eyes, man, like shark eyes.
Yep. Yeah, it's nuts. They, well, all the videos you see bears too in that Katmai preserve where they're just eating fish and they're chomping and they're playing. It's because they have food. Now
so
imagine,
much food,
imagine if you just took all those fish away and put one person there.
That's it.
The look that those bears would have would just completely change.
Yeah, we showed a video of that. Pull that video up, Jamie. Of that. There's a crazy video of this guy who's a photographer who's taking pictures of what looks like 15 plus brown bears in this one river, and one of them walks up beside him and just sits down, like literally sits down about 10 feet away. And apparently this one particular area is so rich with salmon, no one's ever been killed there.
Yeah, that's probably. I think it's Katmai Preserve. I think that's what they call it. But now you have to get permits because it's just such a popular place. You go in, you fly in there, and you just take pictures of the bears. And they have so much food and they're so habituated that they don't. But if you took the food source away,
this is it. Look at the size of that thing.
See that gun sitting there?
Yeah.
That's not what you want to do. I've decided.
Oof. Yeah.
Does not know how to drive.
It's not like you can go over and grab that gun, buddy.
You'd be so crushed before you get out there.
And it's give me some
fresh fish, fresh fish, fresh fish.
Look at that thing.
We've got fresh fish here. This guy's gonna cause an accident, you know?
Real BC.
The real BC. But the population center is all Vancouver.
Yeah.
Vancouver, which is this amazing city, great restaurants, and everybody's like, what? Kill the bears? Fuck that. You don't need to kill the bears. But if you fly into where my friend Mike lives and talk to those people out there, they can, first of all, they can hunt as many wolves as they want. You could shoot 100 wolves a day.
Yeah, there's no lack of.
All right, let's see if he makes it off. Let's see. We'll take bets. Who do you think? What do you think? You think he's going to fishtail or not on this one when he gets the green light? We got traffic. We got oncoming traffic And it looks like maybe possibly emergency vehicles. I thought I seen some flashing lights up ahead too. I could be wrong though. Oh, he's going that way. We're gonna follow.
One time I was in Idaho. It was springtime.
Pretty busy.
And I heard something in
Oh, he's gonna crash.
it was like real thick brush again. And I hear something, and all of a sudden this wolf pops out like 5 or 6 feet away. Just full dead run. And I like freak out. Hey! I was about ready to kick it, and it veered off the path. And then and then another one comes running in, and I grab my gun and shoot in the ground. That one was like,
Oh.
from me to you.
Jesus Christ.
And it ran off. But I didn't know my initial thought was chasing Joe.
You need a destination, no, you slip sliding away.
Well, they hunt him in Idaho, so they come.
This was before you could hunt him.
Oh.
I was just, and I had, like got my gun off after the first one, just thinking, I don't know what's going on here, but just in case I'm trying,
John Dudley has a crazy story. You ever talked to him about it?
No.
He told it on the podcast, but there's a video, if anybody wants to listen to the actual story on the podcast, you can find it, but he shot a wolf, he shot an elk in BC, and, Alberta, I think it was Alberta. He shot an elk, and didn't realize that where the elk went down was literally right where he was dead.
Oh, wow.
There was just bones around and shit. It was literally like a scene from that movie, The Gray.
Yeah.
Like
There's like broken Jack bottles.
So it was him, and John only has a 4 arrow.
Alright, let's see if he makes.
Right?
Yeah.
He shot 1 arrow, which he used to take down the elk. So he's got 3 arrows left.
I think,
he's got a guy.
after this, I'm gonna let him go.
But the guy.
Oh, he's going my way. I'm going that way, so I guess we're gonna follow and watch.
They're trying to take this elk out. They're quartering it up, and then wolves start circling, howling, and then they realize, like, oh fuck, like we're literally in the wolves.
Going around this clown.
One wolf makes a dead run at him. He kills it with his bow. Another wolf makes a dead run at it. They shoot it. Another wolf comes down. He shoots it with the rifle. So John has shot 2 with his bow, and the other guy shot 1 with a rifle. John's down 2.
I'm gonna go get a shake,
and the
I
other guy
think.
has like maybe 2 bullets.
Wow.
And they're freaking the fuck out. They have their back to a tree, and wolves are circling, and they're howling because they've already lost 3 wolves.
Yeah.
So he's literally getting charged by wolves with his back to a tree with a giant elk carcass behind him. That they're trying, even after a gunshot and 2 of them killed with arrows, they were still charged.
That's crazy.
Fuck. It's a great story.
Yeah, it is.
It's terrifying.
Yeah.
But like people think, well, wolves don't harm people. In World War II, the Russians and the Germans had to call a ceasefire because so many people were getting killed by wolves. They decided to call a ceasefire, kill the wolves, and then go back to killing each other.
That's crazy.
It's a crazy story. World War I or II? One. I think it's 1. 2. The 2. Yeah.
What they do is they put a big mound in the middle of that intersection in snowstorms.
Like Siberia. Russia.
I don't know, I've always had a sick addiction to being out in these massive nor'easters for some reason.
Yeah, it's cold. It's tough.
Even as I was younger, I was always out. I remember being very young, 7 to 10 years old probably, out in snowstorms, shoveling people's walks, elderly people's walks for, a couple of dollars here and there, just hustling. It's tough living in the city in a dysfunctional family. You realize when you get older why you're so messed up.
What it did was, it's just.
That don't mean shit. That don't mean you can't change your situation if you just work at it.
The elk was on a ridge.
You work at it. You work at changing your situation, and somehow, I swear to God, the universe works out and it comes back and it rewards you. So anybody that's out there messed up on drugs or anything like that,
It was crazy.
know that if you try and you want to get out of it and you want to get straight, you can do it.
Get his guts hot on the trees.
And here I go, I'm preaching now, talking about sobriety and stuff like that. Even though I'm not sober, I still, you know, mess with the devil's cabbage a bit. So, but anyways, back to the Blizzard.
Because it was a hill across from me, so you could see it lose some timber and then come out and hatch.
I'm gonna go see if I can get some cool stills and I don't know. We'll see if we'll catch anything else that's pretty cool on video on the camera. I'm gonna turn it off recording now. I want to save some space. Pretty bad. Going down Liverpool. Is he coming this way? I think it's time for some tunes. I hope y'all think I got good taste in music. I think for this occasion, we need a little something modern. And I think I'm gonna go with some Bassnectar. slippy here. Another one that don't know how to drive. Yeah, this bus down here is stuck. I don't know if I can. Y'all that wanna find out what a blizzard's like, this is it. Giddy up. So that's the driver that failed and slid. It must be really hard to drive a bus in this. I can't imagine. I smell low tide. Anymore that we're going over. I'll tell you when I see the bridge. Now I can make the bridge out. Now you can. Shih Tzu, girl, I've been dealing with all Lamborghini Shih Tzu.